It's fantastic to be here. Did I expect that I would end up on the New York Stock Exchange floor with this movie? No, I didn't. It's a kind of fulfillment of a wild fantasy.
Alright, so we're going to start right here. How's everyone?
When you have a big market drop, so many people get out, and then frequently they don't get back in. The purpose of what we're doing with this documentary is trying to help people understand more about how markets work. If they understand it better, then I think they'll be more likely to invest, and they'll be more likely to stay with it over the long haul. It's always timely, because markets are always going up or down.
What was great about it was that I lived through this all. All the people that we worked with, moving finance from a non-scientific field to a field that's driven by science, and then seeing the film and hearing them talk about what they had to do to get their ideas accepted. And, you know, it was a very tough, you know, you saw it, but it's also very entertaining.
Have this mission about really trying to help people out, be able to give them a dignified retirement, and then you gather those same like-minded people together to celebrate that story with the goal of getting it out to as many folks as possible. It's pretty satisfying.